Hello everyone, today we will be restoring or refurbish this heavy-duty DeWalt radio. I found this on the side of the road and I picked it up, and as you can see it's very dirty, so it's seen better days. I don't know if it works or not. Probably works, so let's test it first and have a closer look. Then take it apart and give it a proper clean. Heavy duty cord. Okay, here we have the tuning knob, the off on switch. We have off, AM, FM and FM stereo, and this is the volume, and that's it. No input, output, nothing. So let's turn it on and see if it works. Yep, it does work.
Radio Melbourne, just letting you know there is a severe thunderstorm warning. It's been issued for the Melbourne area. There is a broader severe thunderstorm warning. That's for heavy rainfall, damaging winds and large hailstones. Extends from the area just north of Geelong all the way up into the Melbourne
very loud
district.
This is AM, by the way. FM.
Vision Specialty Tooling. pretooling.com.au.
Thirsty Camel here. The only thing cooler than me is the beers in my fridge, actually, and the
Tango. Come to see the rates for yourself.
$4. Only a coffee machine, hot price $499. Get bonus local delivery on selected mattresses, adjustable bed bases, bedroom furniture, and
Okay, so it does work. That's good. Let's have a closer look. In the back here we have battery compartment. Battery is not there, but you still can use it without battery. The standard DeWalt battery, 18 volt, I think. Yeah, this is the model number. It's the DW91XE Type 1. 240 volts. The output is 7.2 to 18 volt DC. And you rub the cord here for storage. Like so. This is the front panel. As you can see, the indicator, AM, FM. This is hard plastic. Everything is hard plastic except the mesh is metal. Yeah, just let's dig in. Let's take the screws out and give it a proper clean. Okay, we are in. So this is it. It's very simple. 3 to 5 volt speaker drivers. This is the radio circuit board, the battery terminals, the AC adapter, and here by the look of it we have the charging circuitry, and here we have a big relay to switch between the battery and the main power source. Yeah, it's very simple. So now I will take these pieces out and wash it. And that's how it looks now after I washed it. I spray painted these grills. I was trying to scrub this, scratch this paint with the blade, but I cut my finger, so I stopped. I will leave it just like that. It's clean and it's working.
I'm hearing what you're saying is that it was a path to agency. And
So yeah, I will try to sell it as is and see how much I will get. Thank you for watching.
Let's go straight to Greg in Newcastle. You want to share some experiences of decluttering and unpacking?
My wife and I, we literally pulled the trigger, so to speak.